Say, great game, Pete. You remember me? I'm your neighbor, Mr. Tittlemouse. Hey, how about a ride home? I'm going right by your house.
Boy, I'm hot and tired. Ride home sure sounds good.
Say, I just bought a brand new video game. Why don't we stop by my house and play around a bit?
Okay, well, that sounds like fun.
Well, first we'll play my touching game. Then you can play with the video game for being so nice to me. This'll be our little secret.
Well, stop it. You're not supposed to touch me there. Well, give me my clothes. I'm going to tell my mother.
So, boys and girls, if older kids or grown-ups try to trick you into playing a touching game, for Pete's sake, tell.